Gagruwa.
Greetings from family and friends.
Hi Tita! Happy birthday! I wish you good health and more years to celebrate pa. Kag I hope all your dreams and your heart desires come true. Very blessed kami nga medyan kami nga tita nga hindi lang buot, gwapa pa kag sexy pa. And we miss you tita and thank you gid sa tanan nga sacrifice kag sa pag-help kay mama dyan sa may abroad. We miss you and we love you so much. Happy birthday!
Happiest birthday, Tita Gingging. Take care always. We missed you and we love you so much.
Hi Tita Gingging, happy birthday. More birthdays to come kag tawan ka pa ni Lord ka malawig na kabuhi. Halong lang ka mo dyan permita ka. God bless you. I miss you. See you soon. Love you.
Ging, happy birthday. Wish ko for you good health and a happy life. Kabay pang malipayon kagid sa kaadlawan mo nga daya. Kag more and more birthdays pagit para kanimo. Hope and pray nga ang tanan mo nga prayer request i-grant ni Lord according to His own will. Stay happy and enjoy life. Happy 50th birthday, my dear friend. God bless you always and love you. Enjoy your day.
Hello, good morning bayaw. Happy birthday. Wish you more years to celebrate. Always good health. God bless. Enjoy your day.
Hi Tita, happy 50th birthday. Halong always. I love you.
Hello tita, maayong adlaw. Birthday mo naman. Dugang naman sa edad. Pero stay young lang and healthy. Ang wish ko sa imo nga kabay nga tagaan ka pa ni Lord sa malawig nga kabuhi. Maayo lang permi nga lawas, maayo nga pangisipan. Kayahon ang sa adlaw-adlaw nga ginatubang nga mga obra kung ano pa man na nag-abot sa atong nga kabuhi nga mga challenge. Kabay nga makatipon-tipon naman ka very soon, makakorpot naman ikaw makagraduate si Lablab. Kabay nga maubot mo naman ang mga pamilya bisan paano diri sa Pilipinas. Kaya lang yapon basta na kami namigay. So happy birthday liwa tita. Keep smiling lang, balan mo nga jolly ka permi. Stay cool lang permi ha. Halong ka gidira, halong ka gudira. Enjoy mo lang ang adlaw mo so. Saliwat, happy birthday. Love you, miss you. Bye bye.
Hello. Hi Dan, Ging. Happy 50th birthday. May singpinta ka na. Welcome to the club. I wish you good health, long life. God bless you and your family. Enjoy your day. I know nga may big celebration that subong. So I know nga gwapa man tagihapon. I wish you all the best that God can give you, especially happy family with El Shaddai and of course your family. So I wish you more happiness and ano na ni, hap-hap na ta ni. Welcome sa golden years. I miss you. I love you. And to all Iloilo group, I miss you all. I love you all. And God bless us all. Once again, Day Gingging, happy 50th birthday. I love you.
King, happy 50th birthday. A friend just like you, I just want to let you know you mean the world to me. Only a heart as dear as yours would give so unselflessly. The many things you've done, all the times that you were there, help me know deep down inside how much you really care. Even though I might not say, I appreciate all you do. Richly blessed is how I feel having a friend just like you. Again, happy 50th birthday to you. God bless you more.
Hello, Ging! Kumusta? Happy birthday! Hindi lang basta birthday, gali 50th birthday. Very special. Gra kay ti nagalupok mo sing winta. Ti God bless you, no. Gabay pa tagal ka permi ni Lord kang maayong lawas kag hindi lang ikaw kundi ang bilog mga pamilya kag kung ano man imo nga handam para sa pamilya mo, gabay nga ibigay ni Lord, no, in perfect time. Enjoy lang imo nga celebration today, kaya kauna nagyaman naman ang pagkasingwenta. Enjoy lang gid kag way kid ako tiduro nga mahambal, no, basta ang importante ang friendship nandyan pa rin bisan nga malaka sa tagmarais ng kita nice. So regards to sa iba nga dyan natin nga kaupod, saliwat, happy birthday and God bless you always. Bye!
Tita, happy birthday on your special day. I want you to know how much you are loved and appreciated. Thank you for your kindness, guidance, and the warmth you bring to our family. Your love, care means so much to all of us, and we are truly blessed to have you in our lives. May God continue to bless you with good health, happiness, strength, and many more beautiful years ahead. May your heart always be filled with peace, love, and joy. You deserve all the wonderful things life has to offer. Enjoy your special day, Tita. May it be as special and amazing as you are. Happy birthday, and we miss you so much.
Hi, Ta. Happy birthday. Halong perme. God bless.
Hi, Tagingging. Happy birthday. Along ka mo dyan. I miss you. I love you. Bye.
Hi, Mami Noemi. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Ta.
Bye-bye.
Walk across an empty lawn.
sa imo nga malipayon nga adlawan. Gabay pa may atang liyawan siya dahil ang imo nga handom sa kabuhi gabay pa nga tagaan ka sa mga malawas. God bless you. Enjoy your day. God bless you. We love you.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday. I love you.
Hi Ta! Happy 50th birthday! Wishing you a good health and more birthdays to come. Thank you sa tanan mga bulig ka namon. Halong ka dyan permi sa obra mo. Miss you. Love you. See you soon. Hi Lola.
Hi, Lola.
Birthday.
Happy birthday.
I love you.
I love
Tudo
you.
ha?
I love you.
I miss you.
I miss you.
Kay kiss pa.
Mwah.
Kadlaw.
Hi Ta, happy 50th birthday. Wish you all the best. Kag halong ka lang dyan sa obra mo. I love you. I miss you.
Day, happy birthday. More birthdays to come. Halong ka lang dyan, Permi, sa obra mo. God bless you. Sige.
Hello, Day. Happy blessed 50th birthday gid sa imo anak. Noemi, Hawili, Nomos. May you have many more happy years to come in your life. May stay strong, happy, pretty, humble, always. And in good health always. I wishing and praying you the best in life. I love you. We love you. Again, happy 50th birthday din sa imo, anak. God bless. I love you. I love you. I love you very much. We love you. We love you.
Hello ma, happy 50th birthday kanimo. Gusto ko lang ihambal nga super thankful ako nga ikaw ang naging mama ko. Kay biskan na anay kita, na feel ko man Japon ang imo nga pagpalangga, ang care mo kag ang mga sacrifices mo para kanamon nga mga pamilya mo. Thank you gid mas sa imo nga mga sacrifices halin kang gamay ko. I hope sunod is suklian ko man ang imong nga mga sacrifices. Isa na lang gid ka tuig makaimaway ta daan makauli ka mag-graduate ako para ma-celebrate ko man ang akon nga graduation nga imaw takaw. Along lang dyan sa imo nga obra. God bless always, and I miss you so much and I love you ma. Halong ka dyan.
Happy 50th birthday, sweetheart. Many years to come and God bless you always. Take care. Love you. Happy birthday.
Thank you for watching and God bless you all.